Today we're going to talk about two things, one of which is the angles in a triangle, specifically the sum of them, and the other is the slope of lines, specifically parallel and perpendicular lines, and how they're related. So let's just dive right into this. Definitions, first of all. The interior angles are the angles located at each vertex of a triangle, and the exterior angles are angles created at each vertex by extending one of those sides. So of the triangle, and we don't need that word of. Proofread your documents, children. Exterior angles are angles created at each vertex by extending one of the sides. Now this is important because there are actually two exterior angles at each vertex, but if we're talking about an exterior angle, we only really are concerned with one of them. So if only we had a diagram. Oh look, a diagram. So what we know, there are interior angles here, here, and there. Those are the three interior angles of a triangle. And every triangle has three of them because triangle, three angles. There you go. There's your three interior angles. The exterior angles are created by extending one of the sides. Now, it does not matter which side you extend, but this is an exterior angle and that's an exterior angle. They're the same thing. Why? Because they're vertical angles. This is an exterior angle and this is an exterior angle. Why? Why? Because they are created by extending one of the sides. They're the same because they're vertical. Now again, when we're talking about exterior angles, we are really only concerned with one at each vertex. So I'm then going to pick this third exterior angle, and there you go. So yeah, that's it. There's three exterior angles in any triangle. I think that's it. Nope. Slope. Oh yeah, we have this other thing. So slope. The slopes of parallel lines are congruent. So if the slope of this line is a half, and if these lines are parallel, then the slope of this line is also a half. For perpendicular lines, if the slope of this line is, let's say, 3/4, then the slope of this line, if it is perpendicular, the slope of perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals. So opposite would be like negative, switching negative or positive, and the reciprocal is making the numerator the denominator and the denominator the numerator. So for this perpendicular line, the slope of this perpendicular line would be negative 4/3. And that's slopes. That's it. Now, maybe a little extra information about this. I'm not sure how much of this you need to know right now. But I think most of you already know this, that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. Always. It's just a little extra piece of information for you. Freebie. So the measure of this angle plus the measure of that angle plus the measure of that angle, the interior angles, which I don't have marked, is always going to be 180 degrees. This angle plus that angle plus that angle always equals 180 degrees. Any triangle, always in Euclidean flat geometry.